I am so proud of us. You saw that when we moved sites, the right side rear taillights, the Airstream, weren't lighting up. We weren't getting flashing or turn signal or brake lights or anything on the right hand side. And we were like, great. And so I looked up what we should do, and it said we should start from the front and work our way back. So first make sure we're getting what we need from the truck. So Steve looked up on YouTube, how do we use our multimeter, which we were given and we didn't know how to use, but we had one, and we figured it out. And we figured out that it was the truck that was not giving us the power into the 7-pin connector, which was like the best case scenario, because all we had to do was find the fuse. And we happened to have extra fuses because we try to keep those around. So new fuse, we now have rear right taillights. This little 10 amp fuse, you can see it's like broken inside. It's all burnt up. Are we gonna move someplace cooler? Someplace not so hot for Penny? It's been hot, huh? Yeah, it's been hot.
What do we do on moving days? That's easy. We get up early-ish. We make coffee. Penny shakes right as I'm recording.
She's excited.
And let me show you my breakfast champions. So this is leftover pancakes. Might give some pieces to dogs. This is a confetti cake. It's taped closed right now. Baked by a friend. Isn't that right, Peony? Yeah. And of course, water's on for my pour of a coffee. We are pretty much ready to go. And this is, I don't know, it's kind of bittersweet because we want to get on the road again, but yet, you know, we know this city, we like it generally. Friends are in town, so that's always a little, I don't know, sad to leave, but we're more or less we're more happy than we are sad, aren't we, Courtney? We're more happy than we are sad to leave?
Yes. Excited.
Well, that was quick.
We're gonna miss people here, but it's too hot, and
it is hot.
I'm ready to go and see new things.
First stop, winery. Yes. In eastern Arizona.
Yes, Pierce. Pierce.
We're here. I already met another Airstreamer. He had an 87 and like a 60 something. Yeah. Like a real Airstreamer, like the old ancient Airstreams. Mm-hmm. The classics.
The classics.
All right, let's get done.
Yep.
What are we doing? Okay, we got that.
You need to do
now we got it over the center.
No, you need to do that first.
Okay, can you hold this? Yeah. So this really is a legit trailer park. You have a lot of permanent residents here and other trailers like ours, but a lot of them are a little bit old. Certainly a lot different than the KOA that we were just at. But this will work perfectly for the next couple days, and we're right next to the winery. Well, like within 5 minutes or something, so the location is perfect. Isn't it, Penny? We just finished up lunch. We're all pretty much settled in. We have one problem. By the way, we're in Pierce, Arizona at the Sunsites campground. The 30 amp connection outside is delivering no power whatsoever. So the guys here, everybody who works here, by the way, is super nice and super helpful. So they're outside working on this. Apparently the guy before us drove off from this campsite that we're in now with the power hooked up. Yeah.
That's why you have a safety checklist, people.
That's why you have a safety checklist. So those kinds of things don't happen. Now it's becoming our problem. But we're not gonna stick around for it. They're working. We already have a commitment. We're going to a winery to help somebody bottle and maybe label wines. That is gonna be in the next video because this is getting way too long, and I liked the idea of teasing you guys with that little, I don't know, wine teaser. So that's coming up next. We're almost ready to go.
We'll see you there.
Do you need to add anything else?
Nope, we'll see you there.
We'll see you there.